If you're dealing with lingering odors or mold in your washing machine, learning how to clean a front-loading washing machine gasket can make a big difference. This gasket, the rubber seal around the door, is prone to collecting dirt, detergent residue, and moisture, creating the perfect environment for mold and unpleasant smells. By taking the time to clean it regularly, you'll keep your washing machine fresh and ensure that every load of laundry smells as clean as it should. To begin, gather a few basic cleaning supplies: white vinegar or bleach, a spray bottle, and an old cloth or sponge. First, open the door of your washing machine and inspect the gasket closely. Pull back the rubber to reveal any debris or grime hiding beneath. You may be surprised at what you find. Lint, hair, and even small objects can get trapped in the folds of the gasket. Start by wiping away any visible debris with a cloth. Next, spray your cleaning solution directly onto the gasket. White vinegar is effective for regular cleaning, as it breaks down residue and neutralizes odors. If you're dealing with mold, however, a diluted bleach solution may be more effective. Spray thoroughly around the entire gasket, ensuring that you reach all the hidden crevices. This is a critical part of learning how to clean a front-loading washing machine gasket effectively, as mold and mildew tend to hide in the least accessible areas. After spraying, let the solution sit for a few minutes to break down any buildup. Then, use your cloth or sponge to scrub the gasket, paying close attention to any dark spots or visible mold. It may take a little elbow grease, but this step is essential for getting rid of all the grime. If the buildup is particularly stubborn, you can dip your cloth in warm water, mixed with a bit of dish soap to add extra cleaning power. Once you've scrubbed thoroughly, take a clean, damp cloth and wipe down the gasket to remove any remaining cleaning solution. Finally, leave the door of your washing machine open to allow the area to dry fully. This is an often overlooked step in how to clean a front-loading washing machine gasket, but is crucial as it prevents moisture from lingering, which can lead to new mold growth. Going forward, make it a habit to wipe down the gasket after each use and leave the door open when the machine is not in use. Following these simple steps on how to clean a front-loading washing machine gasket will keep your washer in great shape, helping to prevent odors and extending its lifespan.